Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write easy and simple essay on Narendra Modi. If you wish to write down basic details of Mr. Narendra Modi, like where he was born, when he was born, how he started his political career, etc., the video on these basic details is already uploaded on the channel. The link is in the I button as well as in the description box. You can check it out from there. I have excluded basic details from this essay and I have tried to write it down in a different way. I hope you all will like it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now let's get started with our video. First line is, Narendra Modi serves as the current Prime Minister of India. Second line is, what distinguishes him is not merely his position but his journey. Third line is, he began his life in a modest family and even assisted his father in selling tea during his childhood. Fourth line is, starting from those modest origins, he ascended to guide the entire country. Fifth line is, this demonstrates that effort and perseverance can turn any dream into reality. Sixth line is, he is recognized for his determination, discipline and vigor. Seventh line is, he believes in the power of youth, cleanliness and unity. Eighth line is, his words often inspire. Eighth line is, his words often inspire people to dream big and work for the country. Ninth line is, his life tells us that no dream is too big if we have courage, honesty and dedication. Last line is, he is an inspiration for millions of Indians.